Hi everybody, welcome back to Monique's House of Creations. And today I'm coming back celebrating my very first video that I put out. It reached 1,000 views and I'm just a little excited. So I'm just bringing you this shower curtain that I got from Walmart. I actually picked up 2 shower curtains from Walmart. I think they were $10 a piece. I'm going to try to go on their website and look it up and see if I can just put the link in there. They were $10. That's the tag I'm showing you, Mainstay or something like that. But anywho, I'm just using the bling wrap I got from Amazon. Got off of Amazon. I use this. This is like my favorite bling wrap I use. So, I did do a curtain, and I actually originally used E6000. I'll be using E6000 for the sake of the video. E6000 just basically is already tacky, so it heats quicker. But as far as any other reason, I would use the Liquid Fusion. I definitely would, but just for the sake of the video, because with the Liquid Fusion, to use that, you would need a place to lay your curtain out and make sure everything's right and let it sit there and not move it and make sure everything's in place with the Liquid Fusion being of the glue. But with the E6000, basically, um, you manipulate it the right way. Like I'm trying to spread that um, out evenly, that's basically the key to get it like where you want it at and everything, and just basically going according to the design that you want. This is the design that I did, like so, but I just basically did a design right there or whatever. So I'm just showing you real quick, and I basically placed everything in between the hooks where the holes are for the hooks, and you can put anything on that after that. Like I put mirrors on mine. So, yeah, it's just basically with that, with those two things, you can basically do whatever design you want to do, basically. This is something just was real quick to just, just to put on a curtain real quick. I had everything there, so I was just, oh, let me just try this. Let me just do this, and I just went at it. So that's just something like real quick. And this is my bathroom, and that's where I have those at now. This is my apartment, but the other apartment I was in, I had them in my bedroom, and that's the shower curtain with the 2 mirrors in, and then the second shower curtain I had picked up, I basically made a matching window curtain for that real quick. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, so thanks. I appreciate the love that I'm receiving. Please like and subscribe. And I'm just moving right now, guys. I will definitely be back with more videos. Thanks.